How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another FIFA 20 video. In today's episode we have a lot to talk about, and I am sorry for uploading on Tuesday and not yesterday. I was going to do this video yesterday, however after I finished it, I just didn't think it was good enough. I wanted to talk about more, so that's what we're going to do today. Obviously by the title you guys can tell we are in a huge market crash, whether it's icons, golds, special cards, everything is pretty much crashing down, and it's been pretty insane. Messi was ridiculously expensive. He's around 3 million. His team of the year isn't much more. So it's just there's not really any good content coming out, and the market is really taking a hit. As you can see by like our top 6 gold guys here, they are ridiculously low. Kylian Mbappe here, about 300k, and I think he's gonna keep going lower, honestly. Heading into this weekend, we're probably going to see a lot of these cards start to go even lower. He is down under 500k already. Again, this is just a ridiculous price for a Messi. Fortunately, though, we could be seeing hopefully some good content come out. Maybe Icon SBCs, maybe that best of informed team that we were expecting last weekend. If that is the case, and we do get that, these gold cards will rise when they go out of packs. As of right now, the market is just going down, and icons are very scary looking right now. We're seeing prime moments drop literally hundreds of K from the weekend. Taking a look at some here, it's just a lot is going down. The good thing though about the market right now is there is a huge potential for it to absolutely fly when it comes to rewards day and that Friday. And I think that's what's going to happen. It's not really good buy time right now, honestly. I would wait until probably like the day before or the day of rewards. Look to buy right before they come out, and then I would probably look to sell then. You have to think about the supply coming in and the demand. The demand is going to be here this weekend, I think. The problem is when is the supply not going to be so much, and with no demand? We're seeing icons drop so much because nobody wants to buy them, especially the big icons here. Look at Maradona, for example, here. This is his 95. His 95 is less than 1.5 mil now. And there's just nobody wants to buy these big cards. Even looking at his huge card right here, this card is under 6 mil now on Xbox. A couple days ago, this card was over 7 mil. And now we're seeing it drop so much. I mean, take a look here. This was last weekend. He was 8.6 mil, 7 mil. And now we see him at under 6 mil. No buyers. And it's just a trend the market's been going at. Personally, like I've been saying, I probably wouldn't buy. If I were you guys, I'd probably just wait and see what happens, see what content comes out. We could get some pretty good SBCs, or we might just keep getting crap like we've been getting. The only safe cards I'd say are probably the road to the final cards right now. But even then, they're not rising up as much as I initially expected them to. Yes, you can make a profit if you did buy at the right times, but it just depends. Maybe the hype will come once the games are about to start. We are still hours away from the first 2 games kicking off today. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. As far as special cards go here, let's take a look at this Messi. This Messi SBC is absolutely ridiculously expensive. Coming in just about 3 mil PS4, 2.6 there. And take a look at his Team of the Year card. His Team of the Year card is not much more expensive, really. Taking a look here on the Xbox, if it loads, 3.5 mil. It's just not really worth sitting there. I know on PS4 it's a little bit more expensive, but still. The SBC was kind of a flop, but there's no demand to do it, which is why we're not seeing too many of those fodders go up. Yes, they're rising up a little bit, but at the end of the day, I don't think it's going up much. We need a really good SBC with lots of demand to raise this market up. But again, like I said, flips are going to be very good this week, and it should be interesting to see. Another thing I wanted to talk about were the headliners. Obviously, the coronavirus is here, and Serie A has been canceled for at least the rest of the month until April 3rd. So someone like Mertens and all those other headliner cards, we'll actually just take a look at them all here. Go to FIFA 20 players. But with the league canceling, we're seeing these prices drop down a lot, and unfortunately, I think the rest are actually going to start going down as well. I don't think many of these leagues are going to continue. They're going to be playing behind, closed doors. Ilicic here, he's dropped down a lot. Mertens is down. Nangalan is down to 218 now. And we're going to see the same thing start to happen to the rest of these cards. I think a lot of people are saying the French League is going to be closing down too, as well as Spain. Barcelona is playing behind closed doors next week. The Premier League looks like it's going behind closed doors, and a lot of players probably won't even want to play. There's no fans. What is really the point of the games? We're seeing these live cards go down a lot. And as far as the road to the final cards go, I know we are, looking to use them today. Make sure we just get rid of them all right away. I believe this round, the Champions League and the Europa League will finish out this round of 16. It's just a matter of the next rounds. I'm not sure exactly if they're going to play those ones out. We're probably going to have to wait. There's a lot of talk about the Euros possibly getting postponed until next season, that will be very interesting to see. As far as the rest of these cards, though, they're going up a little bit. Sun, he's up about 50k. I bought a couple for 700k. He's up to 750. This price hasn't updated in a few hours. Taking a look at Lloris, just going over the games that are on today. Where's Hugo Lloris? Here he is, right above Sun. He's up to 155. He's about 135 a couple days ago. So again, some good deals on that. As far as the rest that go today, obviously you have the Boss. He's gonna stay down. I don't see Valencia coming back in that one. As well as Gomez, the SBC. He's not gonna move. He's an SBC card. As far as tomorrow goes, we got Sadio Mane. He's up a little bit. He's kind of been fluctuating a little bit. A lot of people are risky about that one. As well as we take a look at Marquinhos. He's not really moved much. Sancho, he's gone up just a little bit. He's gone up about 15k. And then as far as where is he? As far as Party goes, he's moved up not much as well. Again, a lot of people they're not really playing the game. I think we're going to see them around game time jump up a lot, but it's going to be kind of a tough one to call. So as I've been saying, the market is pretty much dying at this rate. Again, I think we're going to see a very big flip coming out on this weekend. I think if we do get that best of informed team, I think these gold cards are going to rise up pretty good. It should be interesting to see what happens. But it's just been lack of content from EA. I think that's really the main problem here is nobody's really playing this week. That's why we're seeing such a big drop. We got 2 new games coming out, or not really new games coming out, but we have the COD Battle Royale coming out today, as well as a lot of people just playing PES too. No one's on FIFA. There's nothing bringing people on. It'll be interesting to see what EA does. Obviously, they're looking at these markets kind of crash down right now, so it'll be interesting to see what they do. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, please drop a like on it. If you are new around here, hit that subscribe button down below. I have a new trading video coming out either later today or tomorrow. It is going to be a version of the bronze pack method. However, with the new cards added in, we are going to be able to make literally hundreds of K within a day just by doing it because of these new cards that got added in. Anyways, that'll wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and see you guys next time.